Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to teach you grammar. What is the topic? Two-part verb. Already we have started this chapter, isn't it? Did you see the video? Two-part verb means what is the definition for two-part verbs? Two-part verbs is one is main verb and another is the particle. Okay, in a sentence you will have two words, two verbs is there. One is main verb, the another one is particle. Most of the time preposition will come, sometimes adverb will come. So we have seen some examples also: bring back, call off, isn't it? So there are so many examples are given, every meanings they have given. So your duty is to learn that two part verb and you have to learn the meanings also. So here today we are going to study, they have given, what is that, in the boxes they have given the two part verb. We have to choose the correct one and we have to write in the blank. Okay, so first one, so page number 42. So in the box you have put on, brought up, put off, take down, and then one more, tried on. So these are the options they have given in the box. Okay, you have to choose which two part verb is correctly suits in the fill up and you have to write that. Okay, A. What is the first one they have given? A. It was so cold, I had to dash a sweater and a jacket. So what is this meaning? It was so cold, I had to dash a sweater and jacket. Okay, you have to choose this. Which one will come? You have to wear the sweater and jacket. So two part verb, you have the meaning. Okay, what word we can choose here? Brought up is there, put off is there, take down is there, tried on is there. So which word is put on is there? Which one is correct? If anyone find the correct answer means really good. Okay, what is that? Put on. Put on is the correct one. So it was so cold, I had to put. Put means wearing. Put on a sweater and a jacket. So second B, the matter will be dash in the next morning. Okay, the matter will be dash in the next committee meeting. Okay, next committee meeting. Next committee meeting. Meeting. So here the matter will be dash in the next committee meeting. So what word you can choose here? So already we have taken this put on. Remaining words is brought up, put off, take down and tried on. So what we can choose here? This, in this dash, in this blank, we can choose this only, brought up. So the matter will be brought up. Brought up means bring up in the next committee meeting. Okay, so brought up is the correct two-part verb. What is this? All are two-part verb. Okay, and then C. See what is that? The players did not want to dash the match. Everything in your textbook you have to see that. Okay, till the next day. Okay, the players did not want to dash the match till the next day. So what a word we can choose here? So two-part verb, you have a specific meaning. Okay, so for that we have to learn the meaning. Put off, here we have to write put off. Put off means postpone. The examination postpone we are telling, no, that is the meaning. So the players did not want to postpone the match till the next day. Okay, that is the meaning. Put off means postpone. And then D. Sorry. So here I cannot. D. Dash the instructions. Dash the instructions for the game before you start. So what is the D they have given? Dash the instruction for the game before you start. So what word we can take? What two-part verb we can take? Here already we have brought up, we have taken, put off is taken. Remaining word is take down and tried on only. So I think you know the answer. Take down. Take down the instruction. Okay. Follow the instruction. Take down the instruction means follow the instruction or write the instruction. Keep in your mind that instruction, that is take down. Take down the instruction for the game before you start. So this is the correct word. And then E. He is. So you know only one remaining word is there. So you will know which word that is. She dash a lot of dresses before she found the perfect one. Okay, so she dash a lot of dresses before she found the perfect one. So the answer you know. She tried. She tried on E, that is E. She tried on a lot of dresses before she found the perfect one. Tried means trying. Okay, she tried a lot of dresses before she found the perfect one. So here what we have filled in the blank, all are two-part verb. Two-part verb as specific meaning. Okay, specific meaning is where. So for the we have to find out the correct two-part verb in the boxes and you have to write that. Okay, So after seeing this video, you have to copy that correct answer in your textbook, page number 43, and fill the correct answers. And then another one, two-part verb they also given, but they didn't give the, what is it, option they didn't give you. So we have to find that and we have to write that, okay. So what I told you, two-part verb means in a sentence you will have two words, that is two verbs is there. One is main verb and another one mostly preposition will come, okay. Third, that is third, fill in the blanks, okay. Fill in the blanks with appropriate two-part verbs. So A, they have given dash the form carefully. So I think you may not know the answer because they didn't give the option. So it's little difficult only. Dash the form carefully. So you have to write the two-part verb only. One should be preposition and one should be main verb. So what word, if anyone find the answer, really good, I will, what is that, I will say, I will appreciate you, okay. That is if you say the answer. Dash the form carefully means fill in the form, okay. Fill in the form. In is the preposition and fill is the verb. Second one, the children are going to dash the Christmas tree tonight. So the children are going to dash the Christmas tree tonight. So one word it should be preposition and one word is main. Can you able to answer for that? What is that answer? Set up, okay. They are set up. The children are going to set up the Christmas tree tonight. C, we usually dash the ice cream parlor, okay. Ice cream parlor on our way back from the market. So here we usually dash the ice cream parlor on our way back from the market. What two-part verb will come? Step into. So we usually step into the ice cream parlor on our way back from the market. Step into the. So into is the preposition and step is the main verb. And then D, last one, everyone in the house, everyone in the house dash when the rooster started crowing. So rooster, you know, male of hen, okay. Hen is female, we can say. Rooster is the male. So in the morning we can hear the rooster crowing. Rooster crowing. So everyone in the house dash when the rooster crowing. What will come? Got up. You will got up. Get up, you are telling, no, that is got up. So fill in the blanks with appropriate two-part verb. First one is dash the form carefully is fill the form carefully. Fill in the form carefully. Next one, B. The children are going to dash the Christmas tree tonight. The children are going to set up the Christmas tree tonight. C. We usually dash into the ice cream parlor on our way back from the market. So what will come? We usually step into the ice cream parlor on our way back from the market. D. Everyone in the house dashed when the rooster started crowing. Everyone in the house got up when the rooster started crowing. So it's very interesting topic. I think nothing difficult in this chapter. Okay, everything easy only. Two-part verb means one is main verb and another one is preposition. So all of you copy this in your notebook. If you have any doubt means you can call me and I will clarify your doubts. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.